Welcome back to Essential Eats, your go-to channel for all things delicious and nutritious. Today, we have a treat in store for you as we explore the delectable world of dark chocolate. Get ready to unwrap the secrets of this indulgent delight and discover why it's more than just a guilty pleasure. Let's dive right in. Dark chocolate, with its rich, velvety texture and bittersweet flavor, has been enjoyed for centuries. But did you know that it also offers an array of incredible health benefits? In this video, we'll delve into the reasons why dark chocolate deserves a place in your diet. Get ready to fall in love with this guilt-free indulgence. Dark chocolate, especially the varieties with a high cocoa content, 70% or more, is a true nutritional powerhouse. Let's start by exploring its most well-known benefit, its high antioxidant content. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids, a group of antioxidants that help protect the body against free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support overall well-being. These antioxidants contribute to a healthy immune system and may help lower the risk of chronic diseases. But the benefits of dark chocolate don't stop there. It has been shown to have positive effects on heart health. The flavonoids present in dark chocolate may help improve blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and lower the risk of heart disease. Regular consumption of dark chocolate has been associated with improved blood vessel function and reduced LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Dark chocolate also contains minerals such as iron, magnesium, and copper, which are essential for various bodily functions. Magnesium, for example, plays a vital role in muscle function, nerve transmission, and maintaining healthy bones. Copper is important for the production of red blood cells, while iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the body. Another incredible benefit of dark chocolate is its impact on mood and mental well-being. Dark chocolate contains compounds that can stimulate the production of endorphins, the feel-good hormones in the brain. It also contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which can provide a gentle boost of energy and enhance mental alertness. Dark chocolate is also known to be a natural stress reliever. It contains anandamide, a neurotransmitter that helps promote feelings of relaxation and happiness. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or down, a small piece of dark chocolate may just be the perfect pick-me-up. Not only does dark chocolate provide physical and mental benefits, but it can also contribute to good oral health. Surprisingly, dark chocolate contains compounds that have been shown to have a protective effect on teeth, helping prevent tooth decay. Of course, it's important to note that moderation is key, and practicing good dental hygiene is still essential. Now that we've explored the amazing health benefits of dark chocolate, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Luckily, there are endless possibilities. You can savor a small piece of dark chocolate on its own as a satisfying treat, or you can get creative and use it in a variety of recipes. From homemade chocolate bark and energy balls to decadent desserts like dark chocolate mousse or flourless chocolate cake, the options are truly mouth-watering. When choosing dark chocolate, opt for varieties with a high cocoa content and minimal added sugars. Aim for at least 70% cocoa content to maximize the health benefits. Remember, moderation is key. While dark chocolate offers numerous advantages, it should still be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. So, next time you reach for a sweet indulgence, consider the delightful and healthful choice of dark chocolate. Indulge in a small portion, savoring the rich flavors and the melt-in-your-mouth experience. Remember, quality is key, so choose dark chocolate from reputable brands that prioritize high-quality ingredients and ethical sourcing. It's important to note that while dark chocolate offers numerous health benefits, it is still calorie-dense. So, portion control is essential. A small square or two can satisfy your chocolate cravings while keeping your overall calorie intake in check. Now that you know the incredible benefits of dark chocolate, you can enjoy it guilt-free, knowing that you're nourishing your body and treating yourself at the same time. So go ahead and indulge in this sweet pleasure while reaping the rewards of its nutritional goodness. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of the benefits of dark chocolate. 1. Rich in antioxidants, protecting against free radicals and reducing inflammation. 2. Good for heart health, improving blood flow, and lowering blood pressure. 3. Contains essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and copper. 4. Boosts mood and mental well-being, thanks to its natural mood-enhancing compounds. 5. Promotes oral health, with compounds that help prevent tooth decay. Remember, not all chocolate is created equal. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and minimal added sugars is the way to go. So, choose wisely and indulge mindfully. Thanks for joining us on this delectable journey through the world of dark chocolate. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tantalizing episodes on healthy and delicious food. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, it's time to treat yourself to a luxurious piece of dark chocolate. Remember, a little indulgence can go a long way in nourishing both your body and your soul. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore more exciting and nutritious foods. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep enjoying life's flavorful delights.